I have some tater tots right here. We're just gonna layer a little bit down here on this pan right here. Got a little bit, take all that ice out. If you got some, don't worry about it. If you haven't, it's gonna be just fine. It's gonna make it even better. Okay, now I've got right here, let's move that to the side. I've got some refried beans. We're gonna just put that right there. I have some garlic we're gonna add to those refried beans. So probably about half a teaspoon of garlic. We're also gonna add some onion powder, about a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then I have some hot water right here. And then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons to start with into the refried beans. So 1, 2. Now we're gonna go ahead and give that a mix. What we're trying to do here is make this refried beans have a little bit thinner consistency. So that's what we are looking for. So we just want to get it to where we're able to spread it around a lot more easily. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna bring our pan back right here. We got our tater tots. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead, we're gonna take our refried beans and we're gonna go ahead and spread all this around here. And you're gonna wanna go ahead and add all of your beans. And then just go ahead and just spread that around like you're icing a cake. Just like that. But we're gonna be icing these tater tots, y'all. This is gonna be so good. This is really great for, you know, afternoon snacks. You've got a party. This could even be a meal. Okay, this is just some hamburger meat or ground beef that I've already got cooked and it's ready to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and add this on top. We're just adding a layer on top. Okay, add as much or as little as you want. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and spread that around like that. Maybe we'll add just a little bit more. What do you think? Yeah, looking good. Okay, then what we're gonna do is go ahead and we're gonna add some garlic again. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that right on top. Add a little more seasoning. Yum, that garlic smells so good. And we're gonna go ahead and add some onion next. A little more onion powder. And then we're also gonna be adding some paprika. Oh, yes, it'll come out. So just sprinkle that on. Okay, look how yummy that is looking. And then we're just gonna add some cheese on top of your choice. Whatever cheese you want. You want cheddar cheese, you could add cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, whatever your family prefers. So we're gonna add about a cup of cheese, which is like my handful, right on top like this, okay? Woo, this is delicious. Of course, you gotta add some jalapenos. We're gonna add some jalapenos right on top. Oh, look at that. And you can make them pretty. You can throw them on. You could chop these up if you wanted to. We're gonna make them in a little circle. We're gonna add a little prettiness to it. Presentation, y'all. Just a little bit of effort and you can make it all pretty in the presentation. Everybody's gonna love it. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. We just wanna make sure all of it gets heated up. All right, I just pulled it out of the oven and I cannot tell you how amazing the house smells right now. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into it. Whoa, this is looking so good. So tender and juicy. Holy cow. Okay, here we go. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we gotta add a little bit of cilantro on top. And then, yep, we're gonna add a little bit of salsa. Here we go. Y'all, that was so delicious. You guys are gonna love it. Now tell me if there's something you would change in this recipe or if you would add something to it. Y'all, it is so good.